Don't ask anyone for anything. Ask Allah for everything. Ask Allah for it. The one who asks from someone, when he asks, he places his self-respect on his palm and asks, "Please give me something." One has to place their self-respect right here when asking. Don't lose your self-respect. The Prophet said, even if you need shoelaces, ask it from Allah. It's Allah's choice. How He gives it, in whose heart He inspires, all the resources of the world are in His control. Leave it to Allah to decide which way. Let Him fulfill your need. Leave it to Him. Don't ask humans for anything. But, on the other hand, if someone puts his hand in front of you, so don't reject it. He placed the self-respect on his palm and placed it in front of you. Now, your mercy and the value of your nobility. Now they don't have to scold. You shouldn't disrespect them. In fact, it also appeared in a hadith that give whatever you can. Don't send the seeker's hand back empty. There are even words in a hadith. Definitely give it to the person, even if he came to you on a horse.